Okay, Tim. So, this is Phoenix Gold Route 66 number 2. Okay, we have 2 of them. So this one has also had electrolytics replaced on both sides. And what else? The output transistors. Okay, let's try it out. Let's do this.
Living like a love with a radar phone. Looking like a tramp, like a video man. Demolition one, can I be your man?
And that one's good. The thing to remember about this is we only have the front channels playing. We don't have the center, which is, well, the sub. This is the center portion of the amp, the subsection. And we don't have the front or the rear that is playing. But it sounds good.